When Alfred and Ellen Bussel selected this site as a location for their homestead in 1857, it had been a traditional camping site for the Noongar tribe for thousands of years. The Aboriginal name for the site is Mukidup. It's sheltered from the prevailing winds and has a year-round supply of fresh water. It was perfect for the Aborigines and also perfect for the new arrivals, who, in typical colonial fashion, saw the land as something to be possessed by individuals. The Bussels raised cattle for sale and also produced butter and cheese. 3 of the Bussels' 13 children are buried at Ellensbrook, along with a convict assistant and Alfred's brother Charles. The venture was a success, but Alfred and Ellen left in 1865 to live at Wallcliffe. Other members of the family came to live on the site and manage the property. Sadly, Wallcliffe House was destroyed by a large fire some years ago. From 1871 to 1877, Alfred and Ellen's eldest daughter Fanny and her husband John Brockman managed the property, and she was later followed by the second daughter Edith. A herd of 21 cows had to be milked daily, and during the first year about 680 kilos of butter was produced. Edith managed Ellensbrook from 1878 until the 1920s. In 1899, Edith, with the assistance of the Aborigines Department, established the Ellenbrook Farm Home for Aboriginal children. This took in mainly children from the northwest, and it operated for 17 years. Nearby Meekadaraby Falls was known by the Aboriginal people as the bathing place of the moon. Legend tells of a girl named Mitan who visited the place but was scolded by her elders because gazing at the moon's reflection was said to bring death and sorrow. Mitan was in love with a boy, Noble, but she had been promised to a tribal elder. She and Noble escaped together and lived at the falls. One night, the elder she had been promised to had warriors find her and kill Noble. Mitan was taken back to the camp, where she died of grief. After her death, her spirit joined Noble's, and it's said they still live in a cave behind the waterfall. The small limestone cave is mostly hidden behind the waterfall, and much of it today is overgrown and very little can be seen. The National Trust took over the property in 1979 and it was gradually restored. A major interior restoration was done in 2019.